We reopened all platforms at Glasgow Central station. A full timetable is running less than 3 weeks after the Union Street fire. We also delivered an extensive package of renewals while the station was closed. The railway between Wolverhampton and Stafford reopened after major repairs. It closed after heavy winds caused a tree to damage overhead lines at Penkridge. In 48 hours, engineers installed over 300 metres of overhead line and repaired another 600 metres. A world first as we develop quantum navigation technology for the National Railway. New systems are designed to measure train position with extreme precision. A future alternative to fixed trackside positioning infrastructure, saving costs and increasing reliability. The iconic brief encounter film clock returned to Carnforth Station after restoration. The clock, first installed in 1895, was removed in 2020 to have fixings remade. This recognizable symbol is now back on display for passengers and visitors. We're encouraging you to check before you travel ahead of the Easter bank holiday. We've planned more than 270 essential engineering projects to improve the railway. Most of Britain's railway will be open as usual, but please check your journeys.